Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a gamma symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your PC or computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a gamma symbol in your WPS spreadsheet on your PC or computer. So first of all, you just need to click on the insert option on the top. Then you just need to click on the symbol option. You will see this drop menu. And here you just want to click on the custom symbol option. Here you can find a gamma symbol. So if you don't find the symbol here, click on the more symbol option. Now if your subset is actually like this, you just want to change the subset category to the basic Greek. So in basic Greek you can find the gamma symbol here. So you can see the character code also 03B3 if you want to find it easily. So just click here, you can insert the gamma symbol like this. This is how you just insert the gamma symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.